Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you some most valuable 5 rupees coins here. I think most of them seen this coin but don't know the importance of this coin. Also thank you for our viewers and subscribers. This is a 5 rupees coins. The coin which was released on the year 2013. The coin was decimalized in the year 1957. See the metal composition is a nickel and brass. The coin which is weighing around 6 grams. It's a total outer dia, it's a 23 mm. See, this is a round shaped coin. Orientation metal alignment. On the face you can see the Ashoka pillar and lion. The coin which was released on the occasion of 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda, original name Narendranath Datta, was born on 12th Jan 1863 in Calcutta. I think most of them know Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda is a Hindu spiritual leader. He is born into an upper middle class family on the Kayastha caste in Bengal. He was educated at a Western style university where he was exposed to Western philosophy, also Christianity and science. Swami Vivekananda, he was a founder of Ramakrishna Mission. His social reforms became a prominent element of Vivekananda thought, and he joined Brahma Samaja, Society of Brahma. He was dedicated to eliminating child marriage and illiteracy and determined to spread education among women and lower castes. On the year 1893, he appeared in Chicago as a spokesman for Hinduism at the World's Parliament of Religious and so captivated whole assembly. He was died on 4th July 1902 at the age of 39 due to the severe heart attack in Calcutta. Those time he was returned to India. In the span of 39 years, he was achieved many things. Today also everyone knows Swami Vivekananda. This is a one more 5 rupees coin. Its value of INR. The currency which was released in the year 2014. The coin was decimalized in 1957. Metal composition, again it's a nickel and brass. The coin which is weighing 6 grams. Its outer dia 23 mm, thickness 2 mm. It's a round shaped coin. Orientation metal alignment. On the face you can see the Ashoka lion and pillar. The coin was issued on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. I think most of them know Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was born on 11th of November 1888 in Makkah. He was an Indian scholar, Islamic ideologian and independence activist in India, and a senior leader of Indian National Congress during the Indian independence movement. Following India's independence, he became the first Minister of Education in the Indian government until 25th September 1958. See, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad became the leader of Khilafat movement. During that time, he became close contact with the Indian leader Mahatma Gandhi, who was died on 22nd February 1958 at the age of 69 in Delhi. On the year 1992, India government awarded him most prestigious Bharat Ratna award after his death. See, this is one more most valuable 5 rupees coin here. The coin which was released on the year 2009. Its value again it's a 5 INR. It's a metal composition, again it's a nickel and brass. It's weighing around 6 grams. The coin which outer diameter 22 mm. It's round shaped coin. Metal thickness 2 mm. Orientation again it's a metal alignment. On the face you can see the Ashoka lion and Ashoka pillar and lion. See, this is the most important coin on the occasion of the coin which was released on the occasion of 100th birth anniversary of Periganara Annadurai. I think most of them know Annadurai. He was born 1909 in Kanjipuram. He was the first Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu for 20 days in 1969. He was the fifth and last Chief Minister of Madras State. Earlier Tamil Nadu state was known as Madras State. From 1967 to 1969, when the name of the state Madras was changed to Tamil Nadu, Periganara Anna founded the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam DMK in 1949. After he broke away from Dravida Kazhagam DK, within the less than 2 years that he held a charge as a Chief Minister, Anna changed the name of the state from Madras to Tamil Nadu. See, Periganara Anna died on February 3rd, 1969 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. See, once he died, Tamil Nadu never witnessed the massive downpour of people coming to Chennai to get the last glimpse of the great leader, Mr. Periganara Anna. Dear friends, thank you for watching this video. And once you see this video, don't forget to press the like button. As well as I would like to receive your comments and feedback on the comments box. And one more thing, whoever not subscribed channel till now, don't miss to subscribe this time. In the next video I'll be back, very interesting coin. Until that, bye bye.